Hey everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Diwali is around the corner and GreyPot wishes you a very happy Diwali. So on this special occasion, let's prepare the all-time favorite, super easy to make a recipe, our own Kaju Katli. This recipe is so easy and very delicious. So let's get started. So here I have taken 2 cups of cashew nuts, split it whole, doesn't matter, and pulse it in a blender till it becomes powder and sift it. And when you're pulsing, make sure it doesn't ooze out any oil. Once it becomes fine powder like this, keep it aside. Now take a plate and grease it with some oil and keep it ready. Now into a pan add in some sugar and water and bring it to boil. You don't have to make any 1-string, 2-string consistencies, just you need to melt the sugar. Once the sugar is completely melted, add in the cashewnut powder. Mix it really well and break all the lumps. You have to cook this only on low to medium heat and continuously mix it to avoid burning. Add in some cardamom powder and mix it. Once the mixture becomes thick, add in 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it really well. Once it starts separating from the pan, turn off the flame. Now transfer this into the greased plate. Now spread it slightly to cool it down. Now take a parchment paper and apply some melted ghee on top of it. Now once the mixture is cooled down, take it down into the parchment paper. Now you can make this into a ball shape before you place it. Now pat it down and take a rolling pin which is also greased with ghee and roll it. So here I am rolling it into the shape of a square so that there will be very less wastage. And on top of this I am placing some edible silver sheets. This is optional, but it gives more beauty to the sweets and gives a festive look. Place it very carefully. You should not touch the silver sheet or it may stick to your hands. Now trim down the edges and cut it vertically. I have also filled in the gaps with more silver sheets. Now cut it into diagonal shapes, the traditional Kaju Katli design. So light some diyas and enjoy this Diwali with delicious homemade Kaju Katlis. So why you have to run to any bakery shops or sweet wala to buy the Diwali sweets? You can make this at home and gift it to your friends and colleagues. So definitely try this traditional and delicious Kaju Katli at home and give this video a big thumbs up. So once again, GreyPot wishes you a very happy and safe Diwali. Don't pollute our world, instead light some diyas. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications of new videos. Watch more interesting and unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.